Lesson number 10, Want to Jump on the Bed, written by Joan Bailey Baxter. So come on students, let's read this poem and enjoy the expression of a mother. When I'm an old lady, I live with each kid and bring so much happiness, just as they did. I want to pay back all the joys they have given me, returning each thing. Oh, they love me. Now in this stanza, what are the rhyming words? Kid, did. Then the next one, I'll write on the walls with reds, whites and blues. And I'll bounce on the furniture wearing my shoes. Bounce means jump. I'll drink from the carton and then leave it out. I'll stuff all the toilets and oh, how they will shout. So here the rhyming words are out, shout. Next stanza. When they are on the phone and just out of reach, I'll get into things like sugar and bleach. Oh, they'll snap their fingers and then shake their head. And when that is done, I'll hide under the bed. So here the rhyming words are reach, bleach, head, bed. When they cook dinner and call me to eat, I'll not eat my green peas or salad or meat. I'll gag on my okra, spill milk on the table, and when they get angry, I'll run if I am able. Why she is saying I'll run if I am able? Because when she becomes an old lady, she may need help or support to move around. The rhyming words here are eat, meet, table, able. I'll sit close to the TV. Through the channels I'll click. I'll cross both the eyes just to see if they stick. I'll take off my socks and throw one away and play in the mud till the end of the day. Now here the rhyming words are click, stick, away, day. Then we come to the last stanza. And later in bed, I'll lay back and sigh. I'll thank God in prayer and then close my eyes. My kids will look down with a smile slowly creeping and say with a groan, she's so sweet when she is sleeping. Now the rhyming words here are creeping, sleeping. So students, did you enjoy the reading the poem? Now we come to the exercise on page number 106. Reading comprehension, answer these questions. The first question is, who is the speaker in the poem? Is she young or old? So your answer will be the speaker is the mother. She is not old but young, as she says, when I am an old lady. Then the next question is, what does she mean when she says, I want to pay back all the joys? Answer, when she says, I want to pay back all the joys, she means the joys which her children gave by being good and naughty. Then the third and fourth and fifth question is very personal, so you will attempt it yourself. Then we come to the sixth one. Is it clear in the last stanza who the speaker is? Why do you think she wants to do such a thing to her children? So our answer is yes, it is very clear. It's the mother and she wants to do all the good and naughty acts to make her children know what she went through bringing them up. Now we come to reference to context. Read the lines and answer the questions that follow. First one is, when I'm an old lady, I will live with each kid and bring so much happiness just as they did. Now the question is the speaker an old lady now? How do you know? No, the speaker is young mother, as she is telling what she will do when she gets old. Does she have more than one kid? Pick the word lets you know the answer. Yes, she has more than one kid because she says, I will live with each kid. Then turn the page. The question is, how does she plan to get back at her children? Answer is, she plans to live with her children and give them joy by doing all the good and mischief her children have done. Then the last question is, pick the words which mean the same as child, give, joy. So child means kid, give means payback, and joy means happiness. Now the next question is, when they cook dinner and call me to eat, I will not eat my green peas or salad or meat. I'll gag on my okra, spill milk on the table, and when they get angry, I'll run if I am able. So, the first question is, pick the words which tell us that the speaker will refuse to eat healthy food. I'll not eat my green beans or salad or meat. These are the words which tell us that the speaker will refuse to eat. Second question is, why do we gag on something we eat? Answer is, we gag on food to somehow swallow it. We don't like the taste, so we want to just fill our mouth and push it under our throat. Third question, why does the speaker say that she will run? What is she trying to escape? The speaker says she will run away for being scolded for spilling milk or be forced to eat healthy food. Next question is, she is so sweet when she is sleeping. Question is, whose imagination is this? Answer is, this is the mother's imagination. Next question, will this ever happen? No. Third question is, do you think your mother says this every day after you sleep? This is again personal question. If I have to write, I will say yes, I think my mother does. Now come to page number 111. The question is grammar portion. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs in the bracket. 2 have been done for you. So in these sentences there are 2 verbs. So in the second verb you will be using ing. So we read the third question. The mother dash, the option given is lie down on her bed dash, and the option given is cry. So we will use the word lay, L-A-Y, down on her bed, and the verb will be crying. Fourth one, the angry shopkeeper dash, and the option given is run. So we will use the verb the angry shopkeeper ran out of the shop. Now again there is a blank given here and the option given is shout at the customer. So we will use the verb form using ing, shouting. Number 5, the children dash, and the option given is begin. So you will use began. And again the blank is given and the option given is write as soon as the bell dash, and the option given is ring. So you will began writing as soon as the bell rang. Number 6, the students dash, the option given is practice dash, the option given is say the words loud when the teacher dash. So you will say the students practiced saying the words aloud when the teacher read them out. Number 7, the little boy dash, the word given is start, and again dash, the word given is cry when he dash, and the word given is fall. So the correct form of sentence will be the little boy started crying when he fell. Number 8, the girl dash, option given is see, the stranger, and dash, option given is run, and again the option dash is given and the option is rush out of the building. So the correct form of verb will be the girl saw the stranger and ran rushing out of the building. Now turn the page 112. Think of an interesting word, add ing and fill in the blanks. Means you have to think of the correct word and you have to add ing. The first one is Anita loves dash cartoon. So what do we do? Watching. The word will come watching. Second one, Ruby dislikes dash the plant. So what we will do? Watering the plants. Number 3, Sachin likes dash at the third position. So the word will come playing. Fourth one, my family prefers dash with our grandparents during our holidays. So the word will come staying. People should stop dash around a patient. So the correct word will be crowding around. Sixth one is the baby starts dash when it becomes hungry. So baby will do what? Crying. Number 7, Meeta is dash at Harsha's joke. So what she will do at Harsha's joke? She is laughing. Number 8, the pony is dash over the fence. So what is the pony doing? Jumping over the fence. Now the C question is, do you remember what you learnt about infinitive verbs? Add either to before or ing after the verb to fill in the blank. So they have given you the option. So first one is she decided. The word is choose geography as her subject. So you will say to choose. Number 2, people prefer dash wear sweaters to jackets. So here we will use the word ing, wearing sweaters to jackets. Then number 3, I like dash. Option given is read books, not watch TV. So here we will use I like reading books, not watching TV. In both the verbs we will use ing. Number 4, my father dislikes dash. Option given is go on tours and option given is leave us alone. So we will say my father dislikes going on tours and leaving us alone. Number 5, our printer stops. Option given is work. Whenever we want dash, use it. So we will say our printer stops working whenever we want to use it. Number 6, I am dash. Option given is look at the painting. So here I will say I am looking at the painting. Number 7, Rupa likes dash cook on weekends. So here how we will use the word cook? We will use Rupa likes to cook on weekends. Number 8, mother loves dash sew clothes for the orphanage. So here we will use the word ing. Mother loves sewing clothes for the orphanage. So students, all of you check your work and complete all these exercise and learn for your final exam. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.